Hi there, I am Ismail from Lemon. Not all backlinks are equal. Some improve your rankings, others do nothing, and some can actively hurt your SEO. The difference is knowing how to evaluate the source, not just the link. A backlink is only as valuable as its source. Google doesn't treat all links the same. A backlink is essentially a vote of confidence, but Google asks, who is giving this vote? If the source is weak, irrelevant, or manipulative, the vote loses value. The most important factor is relevance. A good backlink comes from a site that covers your industry or is closely related in topic. For example, a fitness blog linking to a gym site is good. A random casino blog linking to a law firm is bad. Relevance beats authority in most real-world cases. A strong backlink source usually has consistent organic traffic, real keyword rankings, and visible search presence. If a site has no organic traffic at all, it is often just built for link selling or manipulation. Good sites have original articles, real authorship, and also useful content and then proper structure. Bad sites often have AI spam pages, thin articles, and random topics mixed together. If users wouldn't trust it, Google won't either. The next thing to look at is, does your site look naturally linked or artificially built? Healthy sites earn links naturally over time from different sources with varied anchor text. Spammy sites have sudden spikes in backlinks, use repetitive anchor text, and rely heavily on guest post networks. One bad sign you should look at is link farms or private networks. This is sites built just to sell backlinks. One of the biggest red flags is a site that exists mainly to sell links. Signs include right from for us spam pages everywhere, unrelated outbound links, low quality guest posts at scale. These can actually harm your SEO. Bad sign number two is irrelevant outbound links. Does the site link to everything and anything? If a site links out to casinos, crypto scams, random industries, and unrelated businesses, that's a major trust signal problem. Google sees it as manipulation, not editorial linking. Bad sign number three is no brand presence. Is this site really an entity or just a page generator? So you need to ask, does this site have a brand? Do you recognize it outside of SEO? Does it have social media presence or mentions? If the answer is no, it's likely a low value or artificial site. Then the final rule of thumb is good backlinks come from sites you would trust as a reader, and bad backlinks come from sites you would only trust for SEO manipulation. If it feels artificial, it probably is. Now, the thing about bad backlinks is that you need, first of all, yeah, power is good, but power is common between both good and bad websites because bad websites try to look like good websites in and the way that they do it is to try and look powerful. So you need to look at relevance. You need to look at the quality of the content on the site. You need to look at the brand of the site outside of SEO. And you also need to look at the quality of the backlinks of the site you want to link to and from. If everything is on topic and high quality, then this is probably a good link. If you see anything suspicious, if it's too good to be true, then it probably is. If you found this content useful, please make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye.